Can AI replace your brain? The rise of digital consciousness. Hello and welcome to Tech Angle. I am your host Awalulu. Imagine this. What if you could upload your mind to a computer? Not just your memories, but your thoughts, your voice, your emotions, your very self. Would you still be you? There's this new field called digital consciousness. It's basically uploading your brain into a computer. It sounds like the plot of a science fiction movie, but the future is coming fast. Projects like Neuralink are already developing brain-computer interfaces that allow the brain to send and receive data from machines. AI models can now mimic human speech, behavior, and even decision-making. We're not just programming computers anymore. We're teaching them to think. So what happens is you have a chip that is implanted into your head that connects directly to your brain. And then you have a computer that's running your brain. It's got all of your memories, your thoughts, your personality. So the question is, if we can upload our brains into a computer, does that mean that we become digital beings? Are we no longer human if we have a digital copy of ourselves? What happens if that digital copy becomes self-aware? Does it have its own will? Does it have its own desires? Some scientists and futurists believe we may one day achieve digital immortality, where a copy of your mind lives forever in the cloud. This would mean death. Might not be the end. This is stuff that I used to think about when I was a kid, and now it's becoming a reality. The technology is almost here. What happens to humanity when machines know us better than we know ourselves? And the question is no longer if, but when. So, what do you think? Would you upload your brain to a machine if it meant living forever? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching Tech Angle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic tech talk.